How to Journal, a step-by-step guide. Journaling is the practice of writing down thoughts, feelings, experiences, or ideas in a structured or free-flowing format. It's a powerful tool for self-reflection, emotional processing, and personal growth. Whether you're new to journaling or looking to enhance your practice, this guide will explain how to journal effectively and provide 10 key concepts to help you get started. 1. Define your purpose. Understanding why you want to journal is the first step. Journaling can serve different purposes, such as self-reflection, stress relief, goal setting, or creative expression. Your purpose will guide your journaling style. Actionable step: if you want to reduce stress, focus on gratitude or venting emotions. If you aim to improve productivity, focus on goal tracking. 2. Choose your medium. Decide whether you prefer a physical notebook or a digital platform. Physical notebooks provide a tactile experience, while digital tools offer convenience and organization features. Actionable step: use a plain notebook for free writing or an app like Notion for structured journaling. 3. Start with a prompt. Using prompts can help you overcome the blank-page syndrome. Prompts like "What am I grateful for today?" or "What's on my mind right now?" provide direction and make journaling easier. Actionable step: begin each day by writing, "3 things I'm excited about today are." 4. Make it a habit. Consistency is key to effective journaling. Set aside a specific time each day or week to write, even if it's just for 5 to 10 minutes. Linking journaling to an existing habit, like your morning coffee, can help. Actionable step: write in your journal every evening before bed as part of your wind-down routine. 5. Focus on honesty. Journaling is a private and judgment-free space. Be honest with yourself about your thoughts and feelings. This authenticity enhances self-awareness and emotional clarity. Actionable step: if you feel anxious, write about it openly without fear of judgment. 6. Experiment with styles. There's no single right way to journal. Experiment with different styles, such as free writing, bullet journaling, or stream of consciousness writing, to find what works best for you. Actionable step: use bullet points to track tasks or free write to explore emotions without structure. 7. Use gratitude and reflection. Including gratitude and reflection in your journaling practice fosters a positive mindset. Reflect on what went well, lessons learned, and things you're grateful for. Actionable step: write, "Today I'm grateful for," or "One thing I learned about myself today is." 8. Write without judgment. Avoid overthinking or editing as you write. Journaling isn't about perfect grammar or structure, it's about expressing yourself authentically. Actionable step: let your thoughts flow freely, even if they seem messy or incomplete. 9. Track progress. Journaling can help you track personal growth over time. Revisit past entries to reflect on how your thoughts, goals, and emotions have evolved. Actionable step: look back at entries from 6 months ago to see how far you've come in managing stress or achieving goals. 10. Protect your privacy. Journals are deeply personal. Ensure your journal is stored securely or password protected if it's digital, so you can write freely without concern. Actionable step: lock your notebook in a safe place or use a secure app like Day One for digital journaling. Final thoughts. Journaling is a versatile and rewarding practice that adapts to your unique needs and goals. By following these key concepts, you can create a journaling habit that enhances self-awareness, emotional well-being, and personal growth. Remember, there's no wrong way to journal. Just start writing and let your thoughts guide you.